I'm here to share something I just discovered. People are making hundreds of dollars selling digital templates on a free platform called Notion. And the crazy part is, you don't even need to be a tech expert. Notion is a free platform where people plan, organize, and manage their lives or businesses. From meal planners to business trackers, templates help users save time. And guess what? Many people are willing to pay for these templates. So, you'll need just three things: a free Notion account, a creative and organized template idea, and a place to sell. Places like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Now, let me show you an example of such template. I created a simple meal planner with weekly meals and a section for food gallery. It's clean, useful, easy to duplicate, and you can tweak it to suit your taste. Now, once your template is ready, go ahead to click on the share button, then turn on share to web and copy the link. You'll give this link to your buyers so they can duplicate your template into their Notion workspace. Afterwards, you need to head over to platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy in order to be able to make sales. Gumroad is fast to set up and easy to manage. Payhip supports direct payouts to Nigerians, so there's no limitations. And Etsy is great for reaching buyers around the world. I will advise you to start small. Maybe sell each template for about $5 to $10. Add beautiful screenshots with clear instructions and use keywords like meal planner, budget tracker, or small business system, depending on your template type. In order to gain more visibility and make more sales, you need to promote your templates on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the likes. Show how it works, share reviews, and make content around the problem your template solves. You do not need to be a tech pro, just create something helpful once and earn from it over and over. This is one of the smartest digital hustles out there. Get started today. Did you find this helpful? Don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment below, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on videos like this.